Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a beehive that can go along with the bee from last week and also the sunflower with the bees from last week. They all should go together cute as a group. This one has a lot of layers, not that it's hard, there's just a lot going on, there's a lot of pieces, but it's super easy to put together. You just take it one step at a time and it's no problem at all. So on the very top layer there's like a little flying like buzzy thing from the bees. That's optional, of course. Just thought it would be a fun little accent to show that there are bees flying around the beehive. You can see the print and cut on the upper left hand side. That is what it will look like if you do it the same way as I designed it. So you can add the bees to the beehive or you don't have to. Whatever you guys want to do, it's totally up to you. Now what's awesome about this SVG is that it comes with the bees, so you can make them a little bit bigger, use them on something else, use them without the beehive, use the beehive by itself, use the tree branch by itself. It's very customizable. It's up to you what you want to do. So here's the little buzzy thing. I kind of lifted it up and put it down a couple times just to like let it lay naturally before I really like stuck it down. And then I add the bee to the back of the bee to the end of the buzzy thing, and then just, add the bees around where you want to. Okay, then we're going to add the layer on top of the leaves. Up to you if you want to do this step, and then we're going to add the beehive to the branch. So make sure you subscribe to Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel, comment down below, hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.